Now let's review. You can select your answers on the printable activity sheet or simply write them out on a piece of paper that you have handy. Question number 1. Apps or programs designed to run on your device. Is this true or false? The answer is true. Question number 2. Where do you search for new apps on an Android phone? Is it A or B? The answer is A. This is the icon that you'll see for the Google Play Store. Question number 3. Do you have to pay for each app you download on your phone? Yes or no? No. Some apps allow you to install them for free. You will see a price if the app requires a payment. Question number 4. You must go to the App Store to delete an app on the iPhone. Is this true or false? This is false. You can press down and hold the app, then click on the X to delete.